As of September 14th, 2021, Apple announced the release of iPhone 13. The newest iPhone comes in a variety models including the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Each boasts a bunch of new features, even compared to the iPhone 12. If you are thinking of upgrading your old iPhone, you might be wondering if now is the time to go for iPhone 13. Now, let's look about all the features and find out what's different about the iPhone 13 and decide if it's a time to upgrade. Models. The iPhone 13 comes in the same series of the models as the iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 mini is the smallest of the bunch at 5.18 inches tall and 2.53 inches wide. The iPhone 13 is the next size up to 5.78 inches tall and 2.22 inches wide. The iPhone 13 Pro is the same size of the iPhone 13 but offers the additional telephoto lens camera. The iPhone 13 Pro Max also includes a new telephoto lens and its largest model at 6.33 inches tall and 3.07 inches wide. Camera. All of the iPhone 13 models feature a major camera upgrade. The iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini now have a larger wide camera sensor that improves your ability to take photos in a low light. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max both offer night mode for taking photos after dark in a low light. These models also include a new ultra-wide camera and a telephoto lens. If you're a photographer or use your phone camera for work, an upgrade may really be worth it. The larger wide camera sensor in iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini contains 1.7 micron pixel that can capture 47% more light than previous models aside from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The new telephoto lens found in iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max models can zoom in and focus on something that's only 2 centimeters away. The new ultra-wide camera on the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max boosts and enhances the ability to capture photos in low light. The front camera also contains the same capabilities as the back camera on each model, making for some truly stellar selfies. Video camera. All of the iPhone 13 models include exciting video camera updates. The video camera now includes something called the cinematic mode. This new feature allows you to focus on the camera on multiple subjects as you shoot. You can even change the focus after you are done shooting. Option for an upgrade if you're a filmmaker, shoot video for work, or enjoy posting high-quality video content on social media. Cinematic mode is a shot in Dolby HDR. Just like the camera, the front video camera of all the iPhone 13 models features the same new abilities as the back camera. Processor. All in iPhone 13 models features new A15 Bionic processor. Apple claims this is the fastest smartphone processor on the market. This chip is able to offer 30% faster graphics than other smartphones as well as 50% faster CPU capabilities. Go for the upgrade if you are an avid gamer or rely on your phone for work, as these high-speed capabilities could be of great use to you. The A15 Bionic processor is also what's responsible for keeping your data secure, preserving your battery life, and powering all the new camera and video features. Face ID. Each iPhone 13 models comes with enhanced facial authentication technology. This comes in the form of Face ID, software that Apple claims to be the most secure facial authentication software in any smartphone. If you are a customer that is especially concerned about keeping your phone secure, you might consider updating. Security update. All iPhone 13 models comes with the iOS 15. This software upgrade features some major important security updates, including the App Privacy Report. This lets you see how apps are accessing your data, as well as what third-party domains they are sharing your data with. If you don't want your data to be shared, the feature also lets you limit how much is shared with these apps. Be aware that all devices starting with the iPhone SE second generation are able to download the update starting September 20th, 2021. Access a full list of devices that are compatible with iOS 15 by visiting Battery life. All the iPhone 13 models includes improved battery. Apple has not released the exact size of the new battery, but its ability to hold a charge has significantly increased compared to all the previous iPhone 12 models. If you are looking for a phone with a longer battery life, you might consider upgrading. The iPhone 13 mini is able to hold a charge for up to 17 hours. This is 2 hours longer than iPhone 12 mini. The iPhone 13 can hold a charge up to for 19 hours, which is 2 hours longer than iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 Pro stays charged for up to 22 hours. This is 5 hours longer than the iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 13 Pro Max holds a charge for a whopping 28 hours. This is 8 hours longer than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Model design. All iPhone 13 models feature the same model design as the iPhone 12. These phones are designed with the square edges as opposed to the round edges of earlier iPhone models. They also all feature lighting ports like previous models. Since the design remains unchanged, it might not be a big incentive for an upgrade. Some experts had predicted that iPhone 13 would be portless, but that's not the case. If you are thinking for purchasing an iPhone 13, now that it will still be compatible with your lightning ports charger. Color options. The iPhone 13 and all of its iterations features new color options. For the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, you have the option for blue, pink, midnight, starlight, and red. The iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max are available in silver, gold, graphite, and Sierra blue. If you're a fan of these new colors, upgrading your phone to the newest model may be worth it. Durability. The iPhone 13 series offers some major durability upgrades. Each model comes with a ceramic shield cover over the screen, which makes it the toughest to any smartphone glass. The phones are also water resistant, with an IP68 rating of water resistance. If you drop your phone a lot while walk outside, or just want to make sure your phone is protected, these new features are solid reason to upgrade. Display. All iPhone 13 models includes bright screen capabilities. The iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini both have a screen that can get up to 28% brighter than previous models. The iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max can get even brighter at 100 nits, compared to the iPhone 12 Pro, which could go on up to 800 nits. If you have got an iPhone 12 Pro, it might not be worth upgrading unless you go for the iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you have got any other previous model, these screen capabilities may be a great reason to upgrade. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini can go only up to 624 nits. Each model can hold this brightness for longer periods of time than previous models. This is due to the phone's improved energy conservation technology. Storage. iPhone 13 models offer a significantly large amount of storage. The iPhone 13 model starts with 12800 GB of storage, which is twice the amount found in iPhone 12 models. The iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max offers even more, including the never-before offered 1 TB of storage, the largest amount of the storage in iPhone. If you are running out of the space on your phone or take a ton of photos and videos, upgrading to iPhone 13 model may just be the right call. Price. The prices of each model haven't changed from the iPhone 12 series, though the exact price depends on whether you get the phone through a carrier and what amount of storage spaces you desire. The starting prices remain the same. If you do go for a higher storage option, be aware that the iPhone 13 main models with a large amount of storage are $50 more than their iPhone 12 counterparts. The starting price of each model as follows: $700 for the iPhone 13 mini, $800 for the iPhone 13, $1,000 for the iPhone 13 Pro, $1,100 for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Please don't forget to subscribe.